Showing you guys how you guys can get front flash on TikTok. So there is no such thing as front flash, because if your phone doesn't has like a light in front of your camera, then it's not gonna work because it doesn't has a flash. You cannot just download an app and make a flash appear. But there is a trick through which you guys can get nice lighting if you're in a dark room on your front camera. All right, so we're gonna be using the light from our phone screen like a light. So we're gonna make our screen completely white, and by doing that, it's basically gonna make the room light up. All right, so we don't have like a flash in front of our phone on our iPhone or in any phone. Your phone might have, but in my case I'm using iPhone XR and there is no flash. But through setting, we're gonna achieve this. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. What you gotta do is you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen on TikTok. Now once you're over here, you're gonna come over here, and there's no flash option over here, as you guys can see. Now what you can do is scroll right from like your top of your screen. Just scroll right. So in iPhone you have to scroll from right, alright? And make sure your brightness is at the top. Once you make your brightness top, what you need to do is minimize your TikTok and go on setting. Once you go on setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see accessibility. Click on accessibility. Over here, go on display and text size. Over here, make sure to turn on classic invert. Now minimize setting and go on TikTok. And as you guys can see, your screen has become fully white. So in my case, my background has a lot of light, that's why I couldn't see this much. But if you make your background a bit dark, you're gonna understand. So wait for some time. I'm gonna cover my phone with something in order to make it pitch black over here. So I'm just gonna show you. As you guys can see, if it is pitch black, then you're gonna see this much light. So if you're in a dark room, this is gonna work. So what you need to do is now just record a video, whichever video you want. After you record the video, you can just go back to your setting, turn this off, and basically done. So yeah, that's how you guys can get a front flash on TikTok.